Welcome to Unsorted Minds. We're going to have a great time together. Grab a seat, get some popcorn, and let's dive into this new compilation of boat fails. Attention straight ahead. Move aside.
Okay,
We have discovered a new way to work the land more quickly. We are considering filing the patent soon. Oh my God, this is the most brutal launch I've ever seen. You can feel the full weight of the boat crashing down on this sea. The captain must have stepped away and left a novice at the helm for something like this to happen. The deck doesn't seem to be suffering any damage. It's sturdy. A beautiful launch, slightly scary at first, but in the end, everything is fine. The boat can begin its life at sea. They even set off firecrackers to celebrate the event. Checking the entire infrastructure from start to finish is crucial, because everything suffers damage over time, and that leads to scenes like this. Who's to blame in this case? We'll find out in the next episode. A small sailboat cuts off the path of this big ship, and disaster strikes. The little boat was shattered to pieces, but I hope the passengers are okay. Vacations. They bring plenty of surprises. Take the time to park your vehicle properly to avoid trouble. Here we could say the truck will be used as a second boat. Problem solved. Honestly, the big ship doesn't belong in this harbor. What is it even doing here? Look at the damage caused. It's going to rack up fees equivalent to buying a second yacht. The captain must have fallen asleep after the big party. Too much weight at the back, folks. The ride is over. Please disembark. The boat is wrecked. How much is it going to cost to fix it? And yet everyone's having fun. I didn't know you could use an electric screwdriver to replace a boat's propeller. That can really come in handy. Take notes. It's in tough times that we stick together. This proverb is perfectly illustrated here. What is this circus? The crane has fallen and a man almost lost his life. Watch closely. Let's take a closer look at this.
Man, bhai. वो ड्राइवर निकालो ड्राइवर.
A spectacular launch for this big ship. What are they trying to do? Did anyone understand? Please explain to me. The boat gave up because of challenges or stubbornness. I'm watching, and I still don't understand what's going on.
Who's on the phone?
Cargo ships usually have strict weight and height limits to follow. This one clearly didn't respect the regulations. We can see a large part of this cargo ship break apart as it hits the bridge. A water leak? No problem, I'm here. Check out this amazing jump. Everyone's getting ready, but I think it's best to avoid putting the heaviest one in front. It's a matter of physics. The first one turned into a submarine. Check out that wave. The onboard computer freaked out at how high it got lifted into the air. Okay, I have to admit, I don't understand what they're trying to do here, a forward flip? Watch out for the waves! He almost got thrown overboard. And he's happy about it. A cargo ship destroyed a traffic bridge. It's truly incredible to witness such incidents firsthand. Trying to show off to everyone around ends up causing messes. We'll deal with this later. Look at that boat caught in the raging waters. It ran aground on a rock. Racing on water is one thing, but on concrete, that's something else, especially with a boat. Why don't people secure their gear, for goodness sake? Is he going to dive in now to retrieve his engine? What's this guy doing with his boat? Has he lost control? He's going from right to left and back again. It looks like a dance on the water. Don't worry, the truck is part of the boat.
Caiu.
This truck isn't big enough to control the launch of that boat. It ends up with its hands in the air.
Senhor Jesus.
No worries, it's just not meant for everyone. Here, they're trying to tow the boat out, but in the end, it only causes more damage. I think they're going to need another truck, too. The guy's a hero, perched right up at the top. Well, the dog wants to drive, too. He just got his license last week. This boat is lucky to keep its rudder intact, but aren't they paying attention to where they're going? I hope you enjoyed the content. Feel free to like and subscribe for more. Don't hesitate to check out our other videos on the channel. There are plenty more, with new ones coming soon. See you next time.